Hey everyone, welcome back to Kotlin with Compose. If you are new here, my name is Sanjay Karki and today we are diving into theming and styling in Jetpack Compose for Android. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In Jetpack Compose, theming and styling allow us to create a consistent look and feel across our app. Themes help define colors, typography, and shapes, ensuring that our UI components align with our brand aesthetics. First, let's take a look at the default theming setup in Jetpack Compose project. When you create a new project, Compose automatically generates theme.kt file, which is this. This file includes a material theme composable function that wraps your entire app. So to define the colors, you have to define the colors in the color.kt file. So this is the default color set by the Jetpack Compose. So let's remove this and let's create our own variant for light and dark. So you can also see the colors over here, and you can also click on that and you can also change accordingly. So now how we can use this light and dark theme is we need to go to the theme here, and as you can see we have just changed from the colors file, so we need to change here too. So let's add dark primary here, dark secondary and dark tertiary here, and also similarly for light primary, light secondary and tertiary. Similarly, there are also other color sets you can define in this, like there is on primary colors, on primary containers, inverse primaries, and lots of stuffs are there on inverse surface. So you can also check on those, and by default there is also commented out that you can also do some workarounds on here, and you can also test other colors palette over here. So I'm only using primary, secondary and tertiary for this video. So now let's move into typography in type section. So here we can define our types for our fonts, like we can style the fonts for our title, our body, our label, and we can also define the typography for the headlines and also for the displaying. So you can just set by like similarly here by default there is a body large, so there is title small, and we can define here text style, text style, and we can also define the like font family. Let's define it as default, and also give its font size to 18 sp and give it a line height of 26 sp, and let's give a font weight bold. So in this way we can define our typography and we can use them over here. And so to use our material theme, what we can do is like let's remove this counter over here, or let's just comment it. And as we have already used the Jetpack basic theme over here, so let's create a button, and let's just add here our color. So just over here colors. So button default dot button color, so that is our container color actually. So we can call it by material theme, like material dot color scheme dot primary, and let's add text here and give it text called click here, and let's give it a color with material. Actually, yeah, let's give it a color with, let's actually define here tertiary, and let's just give it color white here, and let's keep it primary here, and let's give this box a background of like color for material theme, the color space for like give it secondary color. And now let's run this code. So our app has finally built on our emulator, and you can see the light theme here. So let's switch to dark mode here, and let's see if our color changes accordingly or not. So here you can see the button color has been changed. Now let's change this back to the light color and see if it reflects. So it reflects, so you can see the change is there. And that's it for today's tutorial on theming and styling in Jetpack Compose. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kotlin with Compose for more tutorials. Let me know in the comment what topics you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.